With the recent situation in Mandeville with the man of them call Brown Man, it's interesting to me how many people are out here making excuse for this brother. Excuses. They're talking more about him and his struggles more than they're talking about the people's life that he took. And I realize there's this consensus. For years now I've noticed it where people are saying when a person off somebody, they should not be offed as well because they should go to prison and be given time to think on what they did so the guilt can destroy them. If you're out there as my friend, my family, and one day you see me get knock off, me dead. And as somebody do it, and you know who do it, and everybody know who do it, and there is a choice for you to make for them to go to prison or for you to get revenge. Nobody tell us say, me would want the person to go to prison. I would not want that. I would definitely want that person to die as well. I don't know what kind of kumbaya foolishness some people are talking about, but you going to prison to learn a lesson. My life is no teaching moment for nobody. My life is not a training montage for you. Okay? So again, if you're out there, you're my friend, you're my family, you're my lover, and you hear see me get knocked off, me do somebody deal with me, throw me off of the boat, kill me, because I don't know what kind of word TikTok want people use nowadays, but anyways. I don't expect this video to go away. If you hear that and then find out how do it and you have the choice to take revenge or make the person go prison for repent, me no want a repention, me want the person dead back. Cool? Thank you. And again, silly me, I almost forgot. Ensure that you like, follow, share, and comment. And if you're seeing this anywhere outside of YouTube, please go over to my YouTube and follow me, KHR876. I don't know what's going on with TikTok in the future. I want my YouTube to go up.